Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. I've been procrastinating on it too long, so I said today I'm going to get it clean. So I'm mainly just going to be throwing out anything that's old or stuff that we're not using and stuff that's just taking up space. And I'm going to give it a good wipe down and put everything back nice and neat. Before I get started, I want to show y'all a quick preview of what it's looking like now. Alright y'all, so here's the top of my fridge. So most of this is supposed to be in my deep freezer, but I just threw this up here the other day, and you know, the top is not that bad, not in this area, but over here, you know, in the side doors, I just got stuff hanging all out. You know, it's just a mess. So down here at the bottom, I got stuff hanging out the doors. You know, this is so unorganized, and down there it don't look too bad, but I still got to go through that. And in here is, you know, just a bunch of, you know, different stuff, and it just, like, who does that? Look at that. Living with teens, y'all. Look, that little bit of orange juice left. But, and and this, y'all, look at this. Like, who leaves that little drop of lemonade? Only my children. So yeah, this is like, look at this. This is like hanging off the cliff, y'all. You know, this is like not even in there right. So I got to definitely get that. So yeah. Alright, so now that y'all done seen how messy my refrigerator is, I'm going to go ahead and get started. But first, I want to say hey to any new subscribers I may have. I want to thank y'all for stopping by. And also, I want to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and supporting me. So, if y'all have any like video ideas that y'all want to see from me, make sure y'all leave them down in the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy.